Hi, this is Carol Reve, and I just wanted to do a Global Domains International update. This has been some really trying and devastating news that has been going around in the world, so I wanted to do this quick update. I'm sure most, if not everyone, has been affected by the COVID-19 virus. Thousands of industries and businesses are collapsing all over the world. And unless you unless you own a grocery store or have an online business, you're probably facing some real financial strain and adversity in this situation. The great news is that if you're in Global Domains International, or you're looking for an online business, or you're looking to get back into GDI for short, GDI continues to grow, and more now than ever, people are looking for different options and opportunities to get into for online, for a way to make either extra money, part-time money, or full-time income. So this is for trying times, this is GDI has been a blessing. It really has. I thank God for it. I really do. Okay, so this is a team update on, if you're come to look at this, you're wondering about my rotator, which is right here. This is an update on everyone that's on my rotator. Okay. Now, the only way you're going to be able to get onto my rotator, I was pretty lenient before in the very early stages, but now the only way is going to be either just to sign up directly from my rotator or from one of my downlines rotator page that they have. And what that page is, and I offer everyone that is in my downline, even if you're not on my rotator, if you're as long as you're in my downline, I will set up a page for you like this. Okay? And if, it's easier if you take care of your own rotator. This way you can take them off and add them as people join, because GDI is a free 7-day trial and it's only $10 a month. So as people join, if they try for the 7 days, sometimes they don't upgrade after that, even though it's only $10. I don't quite get it myself, because you're not going to find an opportunity less than that. But anyways, this page right here is free that I set up for my team, and this connects to a rotator, either the rotator that you set up and run, or I'll set up and run for you. But you have to send me the people that have been added to your downline, or delete the people that come off of your downline. Okay? And why should you sign up today if you haven't joined GDI? First, GDI, let me give you a brief overview if you're just thinking about this. GDI has been around since 1999. It's a debt-free, solid Fortune 500 company, number 37. It's got an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, so it's a very, very solid company. Okay, and for a limited time, everyone who signs up from the rotator, if you're on a team page like this and you sign up, and you join someone, you are added to the rotators indefinitely. Okay, and you get a free rotator video page like this, that you can click this and watch this. It's just a 7-minute video. It just talks about the video and how it gets more views to it. And my video that is right here has the rotator linked where everybody is added onto it. Okay, so anyone who signs up from any one of these pages, whether it's my page or one of the pages, my people in my downline, if you're signing up with a page that looks like this, I will add you to my rotator. Okay, and I have a page like this too, or it'll just go directly to the video itself that also has my rotator right there on it with all these people. And this is the update to how many people that I have on it. It's grown quite substantially. It's done very well. Okay, and everybody's liking and sharing and subscribing to the channel for updates. Okay, and a couple of the reasons why, besides you get a free website like this, you also get my resource page. You may need to email me for my resource page. This is my email right here, caroltwteam@gmail. You may need to email me, and this will also have your sponsor's email down there too. So you can also email your sponsor that you want a website set up also. But when you're joining, you're just not getting on my main rotator. You're also going to be getting on your sponsor's rotator when you sign up from a page like this. And you'll get on my rotator. I mean, you can get on 2 to 4, and then I have my upline Mark's rotator. So now, even if you're on 5 rotators, they're not going to do it all for you. You need to be able to advertise. Okay, that's what these pages are, is that you can, we show you how to post them on Facebook, and you can do a video yourself, or you can take my video and just take this page and share it, do a video of your own about this. Okay, but it's important that you advertise and you learn to grow it. Yes, you're going to be on my rotator and possibly other rotators, sponsors, rotators. Not everyone has this page set up. So I encourage you to look for somebody that has this page set up that's also recruiting, so you can be on my rotator, your sponsor's rotator, my upline's rotator, and then you get a page like this set up with your own rotator to when people sign up with you, you add them to your rotator, and then hopefully they'll copy you, because if you're doing this, then they're going to do it too. Okay, and what's great with GDI is if you're familiar with their income, if you just refer 5 people into it that copy you, that just the $10 program, they upgrade. Okay, now this is no guarantee. This is just hypothetical. Okay, there's no guarantees in this world. You know that. But if you bring in 5 people who bring in 5 people, and they bring in 5 people all the way down to your 5th level, you have the potential earnings of over $3,900 a month. Okay, now that's just hypothetical. That's not a guarantee. Okay, the rotators will help, but they're not going to do it alone for you. You have to get the page out there. Okay, and the more you take this video and you share it, the better it is for our team and for yourself. And then you also get used to sharing, so you can take your page, because you're going to get a page like this, and at first when you get one, this will just have your link on it. Okay, if you don't have anyone in your downline, that is. But of course you'll have your sponsor on. You'll be on your sponsor's rotator, then you'll be on my rotator and my upline, Mark's rotator. So again, the rotators don't do it all for you, but they are meant to help. And this page and the video, the 7-minute video, will help you too. It explains a little bit more about GDI. And again, there's no guarantee on the income, but I am so glad I am in GDI right now at this time with everything that's going on in the world. And I think, just my opinion, I don't know, but it certainly looks like being in an online business is a great place to be, a smart place to be. And GDI at only $10 a month. It's free to join, and it's a great way to get started. Okay, and you get this website yourself all set up for you, or you can take GDI yourself and you can set it up. When you join, I add your link to the website, and you get this page set up for you for free. Let me show you. This is the cash it is yeah, this page right here. When you join, you get this set up for you for free. That's why all I need when you join is just your username. So either your sponsor is going to send me your username, or you need to send me your username with your sponsors, because I need to make sure that you're in my downline, that you signed up and that you're joined. And sometimes it takes a little bit once you've signed up for you to show up in my downline. So but you get this website set up for you for free. And then you can set up, if you want, your own GDI. You get your domain name, your web hosting, WordPress blog, professional email addresses. You can get all that, and they have a learning bonus and recruiting bonuses, and it's really a great company. And that's it. And that's my update for today. If you're in my GDI downline, even if you're not on my rotator, because I'm not adding more people to the rotator, because too many are not sharing and not liking the video, and so I'm not going to do that anymore. I will set up this page for you so that you can advertise this on your own. Anyone that sees the video and signs up with your rotator link, I will add them to my rotator though. So even if you're not on it, that's fine. Okay, your downline will be, and then you'll add them to your rotator, and I'm still going to help you. Okay, I just want to make sure everybody is working towards this and trying to do this. Okay, there's never a better time than right now to really focus on GDI and really build it and really grow it. Okay. Message me down below, subscribe and like this video if it helped at all. And again, the link to this will be right down there. All you have to do is click this right here, and then this will come up, and this does advertise, and you will see a member's name come up here, and just go up. If you're not familiar with GDI, you can click that, and that gives you another hour-long video that you can watch that for. Whoops. Let me turn him off. Okay, and then just click this right here and get signed up for GDI. There's multiple, as I showed you before, there's multiple people on this rotator. These are all the people that are on the rotator. Okay, so we're working hard and doing everything we can to help people recruit and help people earn and help you earn. And I'd like to see you to see if I can help you. Okay, so anyways, click the link and join us today. You get your free 7-day trial, and then after that it's only $10 a month. Have a great day.